Hey everyone, my name is Nick Raboy and I'm the instructor of this NativeScript 101 course. So a little bit about myself. I am a developer. I develop mobile applications, web applications, as well as games. I have several applications that I've released to iTunes and Google Play, as well as the Amazon App Store. These applications range from free applications to freemium applications, all the way to paid applications. And they were written in various technologies, so I've written several applications in uh, native programming languages, like native Android, as well as some of the hybrid web technologies, which we're going to be talking about in this course. I also run a programming blog and YouTube channel. On the programming blog, I talk a lot about mobile and web development, and likewise with the YouTube channel. So if you've seen either of those, you might have an idea of where we're headed with this course. A thing to note about this course, though, it is a level 101 course, so it is intended for beginners. So if you have maybe never made a mobile application before and you're interested, this is the course for you. It also assumes that you have at least a little bit of JavaScript experience, a little bit of HTML experience, but you don't need to be an expert in either. So again, that's where this comes down to it being a beginner level course.